Hi and welcome back. If you are really want to speak English, then promise me. Then watch this video. This video is for you. Then you really actually trying to speak English. Today I will share one secret. Then you are able to speak English fluently and confidently. And how can it possible? Yes, it's possible because you are invincible, you are unstoppable, you are incredible because you are very talented. You are not showing your talent inside yourself. Keep showing your talent, keep expand your talent. Then many people trying to speak English, then actually not speak. Actually, what happened? Many people also speaking in English because English is the second language you learn difficult, even if it's challenging also. Then many people speak English also build your careers and achieve your goals also. Then why not you can? That's why today I'll back with one secret. Then you can able to speak English fluently and confidently. Then really you trying to speak English, then this video is for you. Let's begin. Hi, I am Susil. You watching MR Susil. Those are new on my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon because you future get that type of more knowledgeable videos. Let's begin. Actually, what happened? The number one point is motivate. Then those time you not motivated yourself, then you cannot able to speak English. You motivated by yourself because you motivated it's the key point to secret and success also because without any motivated you're not doing any work. Once you motivated, then your work is possible. Just a minute. Yes, I am saying this topic because really it's happening me. Those time I am keep inside in room or side of the corner room and sit down and thinking then how can I speak English actually. I am searching and finding so many videos and watching them and conversation with people. Then how can I really speak English? Then I will not understand actually what happened. Then many people say, how can I speak English? And actually what happened? It's magic or anything. That not happening. Actually the reality is motivated once. You can once motivated yourself. You speak English fluently without any fear. I will guarantee, mark my words. You are once motivated and keep doing your work, then without any fear, you speak loudly and confidently. Yes, I will guarantee. You try once and motivated yourself and keep doing work every day. After so many days, you will message me, yes bro, you are saying the truth. Actually that's the happening. After that what to do? Then without once motivated, you do not anything. That not happen. Motivated plus you practice because without practice you cannot speak English. That one point is practice. The biggest point is practice. The plus point also. Practice makes perfect. Without practice, you can't do anything. Your study also. When you better, you're learning English. Then learning English after so many years is also changing your life also. Dreams comes true also. Why not? Many people taking this opportunity and speaking English like your power. Then why not you can? You trying yourself and speak and motivated yourself and keep remember this point and practice every day at least whatever your time make and create yourself your time that not excuse how wise you are but create yourself your time then practice them every day at least 30 minutes and more than and it depends on you how much time you practice. Keep learning, keep practice and keep listening more and more. And those time you practice, please practice loudly because those words you speak loudly and this word rebound your mind and connect with them and you easily speak. After that, those time you speak in conversation with other people, you speak fluently also, and it's remember also quickly and connect your mind. They can able to deliver your words very quickly and easily also. Please keep listening, then observe it. What are you saying in front of my stranger? Keep observe it. Listen more and more, speak less. When you were beginners. After that, listen less, you speak more and more. Because at that time you intermediate level. After that you also really speak English. That not I'm saying. That actually the truth. That's actually happening. Many people using this trick. Then one simple secret. That is the key secret to success. I hope you understand the points. Actually, how can I speak English? Then really helpful. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and connect with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Take care yourself.